Today is a very exciting day. It is the last major hole that I am cutting in the exterior, and then pretty much everything else is interior. I have like 3 minor cuts, but like whatever. This is the last huge hole with like major consequences. And just to give you an idea of how major this is what it got shipped in. And this is what's going on the roof. This is a 48 volt Velit air conditioner that I'm going to put up there. For the longest time, I was kind of going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to do an air conditioner because they're fairly expensive. But if we go back to that first video, my main goal was to have a van that I could leave my dogs behind in, have the automations run, and make sure everything is temperature controlled so that I don't have any worries. And it's hard to do that with just a fan. So the air conditioner came in, and that's what we're going with. So it's time to get it installed. So unlike the fan, this doesn't come with like a little interior ring that I can use as a template. So just got to go with the handy dandy square. All right, now that the pilot holes are drilled, time to get up to the roof and start cutting. All right, now that the hole is cut, got to clean off the surface and prep the little ring. Also, fun fact, the iPhone helps pick up the metal shards, which I believe are called swarf. I can tell you one thing, the rubber from the inside that is like the sound deadening mat, you can smell, it's like burned. All right, and then I got this aftermarket ring that the air conditioner sits on. The top part is a lot fatter, like thicker, and then the bottom part is more squishy. So I'm gonna put this around the hole and then give it a good squish. Try to lock in try to make it even. So I did a little trimming on this little ring so that it fits over these slots a bit better. Get the camera pointed down. All right, now got to paint this lip and then get this sealed up. So one thing I missed in the fan video was that I needed to apply sealant or paint or something to the exposed metal. So I'm hoping nothing goes wrong. If it does, consequences. But one thing I learned from watching, I believe, Moonraker Designs video, is if you just take, some good old rust stop and spray it into a cup, you can essentially make it a paintable amount, and then you don't have to worry about overspray. So pretty handy. So one of the last prep steps before moving it on the roof is there's these extra foam blocks because the thing is so wide that they add extra support on the edges, and then the main foam ring does the middle. So gotta add these. Well, somehow I forgot to film an outro to this, so here you go. There it is on the roof. There's the side pods, the fan, everything's coming together, and it's looking like it's about to get real busy up in here. Well, as always, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the bend.